Hey y'all, Billy Thompson here. If you're looking to fix up your truck, figure out what that weird noise is, or just learn a thing or two about keeping your car running right, you've come to the right place. I keep it simple, straight up, and hands-on. Go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get to work. Enough jawing, let's dive in.
Fault code P071B sounds like transmission mode switch or circuit low. Often, in OBD2 scanner software, the name may be spelled transmission mode switch or circuit low. Technical description and decoding of error P071B. This diagnostic trouble code, DDC, is a generic transmission code. Error P071B is considered a generic code as it applies to all vehicle makes and models, although the specific repair steps may vary slightly depending on the model. Modern vehicles have an automatic transmission control module called the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The Engine Control Module, PCM, it communicates with the TCM to monitor the automatic transmission in the event of faults. If the code P071B is stored in your vehicle, it means that the Transmission Control Module, PCM, has received a data input signal. This indicates that a problem has been detected which requires the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, to be illuminated. The transmission mode switch activates this fault when the control module detects a low signal level. In this case, the fault concerns circuit or of the transmission mode switch. Some models may require up to 8 driving cycles with the problem before the fault indicator illuminates. They can also manifest as the gear selector lever does not work. Unstable or abrupt gear changes. It takes a long time to change gear. Low power at high load. The transmission does not downshift when torque is required. The transmission can be set to emergency mode. A stored code P071B indicates that a potentially serious fault has been detected. This could put unnecessary strain on the transmission and its components. Causes of the error. The P071B code may mean that one or more of the following problems have occurred: faulty or damaged mode switch, corrosion of the connectors or contacts causing high resistance, wiring problem, e.g., open circuit or short circuit, faulty gear lever, blown fuse or fuse link. Sometimes a faulty PCM or TCM module is the cause. How to eliminate or clear fault code P071B. Some suggested steps for troubleshooting and correcting the P071B fault code: clear the error codes, carry out a test drive, and check whether fault P071B appears again. Visually inspect the electrical cables and connectors. If necessary, repair or replace any short-circuited, broken, damaged or corroded components. Check the fuse or fuse connection. Inspect the gear lever as well as the mode switch. Diagnosing and solving problems. The first thing to do when diagnosing fault P071B is to check whether the electrical section is damaged. In modern cars, electrical and electronic signals require good wiring for proper data transmission. Any faults such as breaks, disconnected connectors, or corrosion can interrupt the signals, resulting in transmission control failures. If the vehicle does not detect a fault caused by faulty wiring, it is likely that the problem is caused by the mode switch itself. Replacing it should solve the problem with error P071B. But don't forget the fuses either, as a blown fuse is a common problem. As with any transmission malfunction, always check the fluid level and quality at the right level, and keep them in good condition. In which vehicles is this problem most common? The problem with the P071B code can occur in a variety of cars, but there are always statistics on which this error occurs most frequently. Here's a list of some of them. In conclusion, understanding fault code P071B is crucial for diagnosing issues related to the transmission mode switch circuit. This code indicates a low voltage condition, which can lead to transmission performance problems if not addressed promptly. Regular maintenance and timely troubleshooting can help prevent further complications and ensure your vehicle operates smoothly. If you encounter this fault code, consider consulting a professional for a thorough inspection and repair. Thank you for watching, and stay informed about your vehicle's health.